Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, December 13th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had one trade in the ES and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. So it's kind of the same trade, but separate entries. And I'm going to run through everything here really quick from left to right. First trade in the ES, we had a power play. Again, this is in no particular time order. 9:54 Central Standard Time, 26:57, and trade made up to 4 points. I told everybody that initially they were going to. I told everybody that the market was going to go lower, but initially they may try to defend because buyers don't want the market to really go negative. So it really went about as far as we thought. Up to 4 points on that trade. Then in the NASDAQ, we had a beautiful death candle trade, 68.26. To some people grabbed it at 26 quarter, 26.75. And that was a beautiful trade, beautiful trade. That trade went from 26 down well over 250 to 220 ticks. Just a beautiful trade there. It, even just on the first candle, it went from 26 down to 06, went down 80 ticks just on one candle. That was probably our trade of the day, although we did have another short that was beautiful as well. When it came down, we had a material change in the marketplace. Most people were out, of course, by that point anyway, a couple hundred ticks. And then we came back up, we got long. And that was at 68 to 33. Trade made 20 plus ticks. I told everybody that's about as far as it needs to go. Could go further, but 20 ticks would be the minimum we'd be looking for. And doesn't have to go any higher than that, and it didn't. It came back down, and then we got short. This was another beautiful trade here. I told everybody in the marketplace here, as soon as the ES got below the 58 to 60 area, which was right here, I said that we were going down at least another 7 to 10 points and probably more. We did not get in the ES, although we could have. We got it in the NASDAQ. The first time it went down, it wasn't quite ready yet. I told everybody that was a little more aggressive. We were not going to do any adding or anything to this trade. I did not call an add-on. So anybody who took that first aggressive one, that would have been a loser. But I told everybody that I'm hitting this thing hard. It's coming down. There's no doubt about it. So when it came back up, it went down again on the very next candle. It was like boom. And again, it went down. And that was another beautiful trade. And again, the target on the ES, even though we weren't in the ES, was exactly 45.75. 45.75. That's exactly where it went down to. And I told everybody, when the ES gets to its target, that's a good spot to start thinking about getting out of the NASDAQ. And if you look, it was right around there. Just a beautiful trade. And that went down from 75 down. Geez. Another 120 ticks. And then on the longs, most people who are trading are at their goal. On the longs, we tried a long at 67.75. And this was right when Europe was closing, when the European market was closing. So I told everybody that in fact, it was right before the 11:30 candle closed. We did add to the trade. That one we had to add to. We got on a break even. I said just leave it alone until let the little jitters come out. The market ultimately should come up, but it could go sideways, and that's exactly what it did. Some people got in. I'm going to put a dot here because not everybody took this trade. Would have been a winner the second time and a break even the first time if they did. But again, because it was kind of almost like a news event, not everybody took that trade. And again, there was other big winners before that. So, but this one did make, again, 20 ticks the second time. But again, not everybody was in it. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it all over again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, been a good week, and we're going to see what shakes out in the marketplace. And we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Don't forget to check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. And we'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye, traders.